Now let's see how to add a blend in Tableau Desktop. Like I already told you, blending means we have to analyze two different or more than two even different data sets into Tableau. So let's start it in Tableau. Before that, let me give you a brief intro of the data sources that we would be using for the blend. So these are the two data sources that we would be using for the data blending in Tableau. The very first is the medicine sales. This particular Excel files tells you about the type of medicine that is available, the name of the medicine, the region and the state in which the availability is there, and what is the medicine sales. And the second source is the office city sales. This Excel source tells you about the office employee, the state code in which the office is available, the state, the territory, and the office sales. Let's import these two sources in Tableau and see how to blend the data. Now open your Tableau desktop, and since now you are well aware of how to connect to a Microsoft Excel, you can do the same. For example, I am starting with medicine sales. Let me import this into Tableau. Once I do it, you can see the data in the data source pane. And when I go to sheet 1, I can see my medicine sales data available. Now, like I already told you, data blend is kind of more of creating relationships among the data on the basis of the common columns. So how to do that is, let's go to the data on the sheet 1, and here you can see a new data source. Now we'll import the second data source, that is office city sales, and once we do it, you'll be able to see the office city sales. And do note that the common columns between office city sales are the territory and the state. Now, when I go to the sheet 1, I can see both the sources visible here. Like I was already telling you that we have the common columns territory and state, and same goes for your medicines, the state and the region column. Now, if I need to create a relationship in order to blend the data, how I can do is I can click on data again and click on edit blend relationships. Now, like I was telling you that both the sources have state and region and territory common. So what the Tableau does it, by default it will take the first one as the primary source, and if you need to change it, you can keep it to office city sales as well, and then it will take a common column between the both the data sources automatically. So the column it took was state, but our requirement says we need to create a relationship based on region and territory. So what I can do is I can click on custom, and once I am here, I can click on add. And do note that when it was on automatic, all these buttons were not available. So we cannot perform any action. But if we want to give it customized, we can click on custom, we can click on add, and I need the region and the territory, and I click on OK. Now the relationship between both the data sources would be based on the region and territory and state. So click on OK, and once we do it, we'll see that there is a blend relationship created. Now let's see how to check that. Let's drag and drop, let's say product name into columns, or let us do it in rows. And if I keep the measure medicine sales, we'll notice that it will show us all the medicine sales across the products. Do note that you'll see a blue color icon here that says that medicine sales is the primary source. Now let's try to analyze something in office city sales. Let's click on it, and let's see the territory wise what's the office sales. So we'll notice that according to the territory, that is east, north, south or west, we'll get the office sales. Now, if you notice, there would be a view symbol on the office city sales. This indicates that our primary source is office city sales. Now, since we created a relationship between both the tables, so according to the common column, that's the territory, I can see the office sales as well as the medicine sales. So what I can do is to check that our blend is working or not. Office sales, I already have it. I can click on medicine sales and I can drag and drop my medicine sales to the rows. And what will happen is it will show me the medicine sales as per the territory or the regions selected. So this is how we can say that blend is working fine. And do note that the medicine sales was the secondary source as we took everything from office city sales. So it is being shown in a red or orange color symbol. Now there is no particular restriction to keep any of the sources as primary. So if I remove all this, just click on this, okay, okay, and okay. Now if I take something from medicine, let's say I take state, and then I take something from office city sales, let's say office sales, what will happen is now since I started from medicine sales, it was taken as the primary and office city sales became as secondary. Also do note that some of the columns of the state are coming null. That means that the medicine sales has some set of states which were not available in the office city sales. Hence the office sales is coming empty. Now if I push medicine sales, I'll get all the values populated for the medicines one. And the vice versa is also applicable. Thus, this is the way we create data blends in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.